Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for university. First, let's set up your workspace. Begin by creating a dedicated space for all your academic endeavors. Organize your pages logically, perhaps by course, project, or even personal study areas. Notion offers many free templates, which can save you significant time when setting up common university tasks like assignment trackers or reading lists. This initial organization is key to a smooth academic year. Next, let's dive into managing your courses and notes. You can create a robust database for each course, allowing you to track assignments, deadlines, and even grades in one centralized location. Link your lecture notes directly to their respective course pages, ensuring everything is easily accessible. Employ tags and filters to categorize your notes by topic, week, or even by type, making revision much more efficient and targeted. Effectively tracking assignments and projects is crucial for university success. Construct a master assignment tracker, complete with due dates, priority levels, and status updates, giving you a clear overview of your workload. For larger projects, break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks within Notion. You can also easily collaborate with group members by sharing specific project pages, fostering seamless teamwork and communication. Finally, let's explore how Notion can enhance your study and revision process. Develop a comprehensive study schedule using Notion's versatile calendar view, ensuring you allocate sufficient time for each subject. Create interactive flashcards or toggle lists directly within your notes for active recall, a highly effective revision technique. You can also embed external resources, such as PDFs or educational videos, directly into your study pages for a rich, integrated learning experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.